Hello everyone, this is class 7, chapter 1 integers, exercise 1C. We are going to start today, but before that we will have a look on some basics of this exercise. In this exercise we will discuss about the removal of brackets. I know the whole concept you have done in class 6 lesson number chapter number 9, but let's have a look. So how to remove the brackets? Firstly, you must aware with the different type of brackets. Like this is called the small bracket or parenthesis, and this is the middle or curly bracket, and this is square bracket, and this is called win column, or simply we call it bar. But how to remove the brackets? When we start dealing with the brackets, firstly we deal with win column, means firstly we will remove the bar. You should very careful while removing the bar, because this thing can confuse you in the signs of positive and negative. Because हम बच्चों को ध्यान नहीं रहेगा कि ये बार जो ब्रैकेट डाली हुई है इसके बाहर नेगेटिव साइन है, व्हेन एवर बी रिमूव इट इसके साथ अंदर वाले साइन जो है वो चेंज होंगे. इसी के साथ बच्चे यहाँ पे मिस्टेक कर देते हैं. Anyhow, after the bar, after removing win column, we have to remove small bracket. Then we'll deal with curly or middle bracket. In the end, in the last, we will remove the square bracket. So without delay, let's start with the questions. So beta, let's see. Only one bracket is given in this question, but in this one thing that I have didn't tell you in the introduction, you will open the brackets, remove the brackets by using BODMAS. That is bracket of division, multiplication, then we will do addition and sum. Addition and subtraction. So firstly try to open the bracket, whatever is given inside, firstly we'll do that. So firstly we will deal with the division. So if we will divide 15 with 3, what we will get? We'll get 3 5s are 15. You can divide it if you don't know. You will get the answer. After that, to remove the bracket, we will solve it. 20 minus 5. Most of students do mistake in the signs also. Beta, see which is the bigger number, that is 20. Sign of 20 is plus. If there is nothing in front of any number, it means that number is positive. So 20 minus 5. During the fight of 20 and 5, which number will win? 20 will win the match, na? So 20 minus 5 will get 15, and 15 will be a positive number. Now we will remove the bracket. If nothing in front of 15, it means it is positive. Now meaning of bracket is multiplication, so plus minus is minus. Again there is a fight of 18 and 15. Which is the bigger number? 18. So answer will be positive. Now with how many runs, or you can say with how many numbers this 18 will win the match? That is 3. So 3 will the answer. क्या है ना, 18 जो हमारे पास वो पॉजिटिव है, तो आंसर भी पॉजिटिव रहेगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज -15 plus 24 divided by 15 minus 13. I have told you in all the questions we will follow BODMAS. So we will write -15 as it is. Now firstly we will solve division, but before that we can simply solve this bracket also. This is the small bracket, or we call it parenthesis. So 15 minus 13 will be 2. Now we can solve the division. If we will divide 24 by 2, we will get answer 12. So which is the bigger number? 15, and the sign of 15 is minus, so answer will be in minus. So 15 minus 12 you can solve it. What we will get? 3. This is your required answer. So in third question you have got bin column, means bar, then small bracket, and then curly bracket also. So firstly we will solve the bin column. So for this, write all the values as it is. See, in this question it's very easy to solve, because if there is negative sign is given, then it can like create mistake in the question. Otherwise, if this number is positive, it means your question can go smoothly. Now solve all these numbers. 3 and 2 is positive. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 1, you will get 4, and the answer will be in positive. Then we have removed this bracket. Now put all the other two brackets. Now we can solve this bracket also. 13 plus 4 is 17. Now to solve this, solve all these numbers. These two numbers are positive of same team. You can add these numbers first, or then you can subtract the 17. Otherwise you can subtract it simply also. As I am going to subtract 14 from the 17. अच्छा, कुछ बच्चे इस चीज़ में भी कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि मैंने जैसे बोल दिया ना दैट आई एम गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 14 फ्रॉम द 17, तो बच्चे बोलेंगे कि लाइक आप क्यों सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, 17 तो माइनस का, ये प्लस का है. लाइक इस चीज़ों में भी बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं बेटा. If two numbers are of different signs, तब भी हमने उनको क्या करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट ही करना है. अगर वो दोनों सेम साइन के हैं लाइक दिस, तब हमने इनको क्या करना है, ऐड करना. बच्चे इसमें कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि नेगेटिव साइन है, ऐड क्यों करेंगे, माइनस करेंगे. बट इसमें आपने ये चेक करना है कि क्या वो सेम टीम के नंबर हैं. अगर सेम है, नेगेटिव नेगेटिव हैं, तो ऐड करोगे. अगर दोनों प्लस प्लस के हैं तब भी ऐड करोगे. डिफरेंट साइन है तो आप उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे. अब यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक चीज़ चॉइस करनी होती है कि कौन सा साइन आएगा. साइन ऑलवेज ऑफ बिगर टीम. Bigger number is 17, so sign will be minus. 17 minus 14, you will get 3. 15 minus 3, 15 is bigger one na, so 15 minus 3 you will get 12. When you will open the bracket, now 35 minus 12, that will be 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 minus 1 is 2. Answer will be positive because 35 is bigger number and it is positive. That is your required answer. Next questions we'll do in next video. Thank you.